Vital tips. Succeed with TikTok. Get started on the right path with these 5 tips. Number 1. The first video was a flop. Now what? This addresses a common question that I've been asked. Would you recommend deleting and starting over if your account isn't performing well? Well, if your first video doesn't perform well, it may not be justifiable to start over from the beginning. Be persistent and continue creating content on this account. If you verify your mobile phone number, you will be able to access a free pro account, allowing you to view your insights. Do this on your primary account. No need to delete the account due to one mishap. Number 2. Buying followers. Like most platforms, you can buy followers from certain websites. I've seen videos on YouTube that show people purchasing followers. When they publish content, the videos accrue minimal views. It's possible that the platform recognizes this action of purchasing followers, giving a low credibility score on your account, thus not promoting your content on the For You page across the platform. This is just a theory from other TikTok users, so be careful if this is something you do pursue. Number 3. Zombie accounts. Yes, they are a real thing. People speak about setting up a TikTok account and are unable to successfully post anything for about a week. The videos remain at 0 views. After about a week, the videos will finally start being distributed. The old ones will remain at 0 engagement. This is likely designed to be an anti-spam feature. The point here is, you won't be able to successfully post a video on a new account without being active for at least a week. Number 4. You won't get good results if you don't ask for it. This should be obvious, but to many it's not. So, you publish content that receives tons of views and minimal likes. The only way to make it count is to ask viewers to follow you, to access more great content. Though this may seem pushy, even forced, it's really not. Your conversions will be minimal if you don't ask. In the TikTok community, this ask is looked upon as a nice reminder, not a demand. It's as simple as saying, I worked really hard to create this content, please like if you enjoyed it. To be sure, include a good profile picture, solid bio on your account, ask people to follow you in the description. Number 5. This is the final tip and it is a warning. TikTok has rules that are PG. There are users under 13 years of age, so absolutely no nudity is acceptable. It might seem innocent for teenage boys to go shirtless at the beach, but this would be considered nudity and users have gotten banned over this. Also, no kissing in any form of PDA is acceptable. Getting banned is permanent and you would want to avoid this. Of course, you can contact support on the app if you were to be banned, asking to be unbanned, but this wouldn't be a good situation to be in.